Hi, today I'll tell you how to use Zoom Cloud Meetings. For this, we must sign up and download Zoom client. For this, you can sign up for free and then create your account with Google or Facebook. In Zoom client, join your conference. For this, you must enter meeting ID or your personal link. For example, also you can don't connect to audio in the beginning of conference and turn off your video in the beginning. Join. Unable to join this meeting because it's the wrong meeting ID. Okay, then we create new meeting. Our conference is beginning. We can join with computer audio and we can mute our audio and also we can stop our video. Then in menu tap invite, then copy invite link and our invite link has been copied and we can send this link with any messenger. Also in Zoom you can share your screen. Click and we can share our desktop screen or advanced. We can share portion of screen. Also we can record our conference. Tap record.
Recording in progress.
Record without audio and our conference is recording. We can stop our
Recording
recording.
stopped.
And after the end of conference, tap end meeting and we can end meeting for all or leave meeting. And other people will be discussed in conference and meeting. And now you'll know how to use Zoom from your laptop or computer. If you have any questions, you can write me in comments. See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.